Juice, babe. Hush.
Alright, right now we are leaving my place, V&B Wholesale. We just picked up a cat. Though these things are going up like fucking hotcakes, bro. So we just picked this up for this fucking Suburban rattle. I'm about to see if it's gonna do it right now. Where's my key? I gave her my key. This dirty thing. Let's see. And I'm using my phone right now. Y'all hear this? Oh my god, that is not it. Y'all hear this, right? Okay. Look, we are at V&B Wholesaling. We are at V&B Wholesale, so yeah, we're about to dip out of here. And I don't know. We're about to go right to the exhaust shop. So I'm about to call my boy right now and we're gonna be there. Sorry I did not do an intro or anything, but that's cool. Yeah. But yeah, we about to leave out of here. I'm just discombobulated. I still need to show you guys that, but I'll show you guys that in a second. So just stay tuned and just keep watching the video. Alright, y'all. Bro, y'all don't understand how annoying this is. We gotta change those. We gotta fix this too, bro. Like, I don't like this is just all common problem. Hold on. Just had to stop. Like, this is loud as fuck. Like, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, that's just annoying, bro. But it doesn't do nothing like when you're right here. So, I mean, I don't know. It is what it is, I guess. This is BS, but hey. At least it sound nice. Yo, my bad, y'all. I'm recording on my phone too, so it might be a little different, but at least it still look good. You know, the phone quality not that bad. Got a Samsung, G. Stay away from iPhone, but we about to get to the shop right now. And we'll be back. Oh, that sucks. So, this thing rattling like booty. That's all you hear, like.
Yeah, the sense of the original sense of the sound like that.
It's because there's like something in there.
Now look. Sensors coming like that. I know these sensors always coming like this. Okay, right, alright.
What? Oh, the bolt's not all the way even on. It's not even all the way, look. That's probably why I'm getting so much, like, it's really loud. That's how it sounds. That's how it sounds right here. Wow. What you mean? Hey. I just got this truck. It's not my fault. That's how I got it.
Yo, that's fire.
Yeah, get defeated.
Yo, that's fire.
I'm out here missing good content. But he got that mug. He in there.
Yo, that's fire.
Yeah, I told him these guys they don't know how to weld that thing.
Yeah.
They need it welded good. Marihuana good. Got it. All right.
See a squat? You see a squat? That's how you know. That's how you know they're doing the right shit right here. You see the squat? Yes, sir. My guy Roberto. Work it. The fucking Beamer, bro. Beamers are the worst. Yeah, it sounds good. It's not even rattling anymore. On idle. No more noise. It was so loud. See, it sounds perfect. That's all I wanted. Glutz. Them burples was nasty. Oh, what the fuck? I can't even drive my car. Damn. Is the car coming out? I could have went earlier, but it's okay. Now it can go. It's not the noise I wanted. It's too much. But we got it for a while. We gonna roll with it, I guess. This is like what people love. Let's see a pool, I guess, but. As y'all see, we're at idle right now. We're chilling. No more rattle. Literally, when I'm on drive and I'll be sitting here, none of that right now. It's quiet. And we got a muffler delete, so it sounds good. Oh man, I'm loving this. I'm loving the silence. Y'all hear that? Nothing. Bro, y'all don't understand how much that shit annoyed me the fuck out of me, bro. The fuck out of me, bro. So, oh. It sounds so good. Oh my god. This sounds so good. I don't even be tweaking like that, like. I think y'all know I couldn't have just went without showing the G. I don't think y'all understand. So I'm about to end the video right now. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel right here, JoJo Cars. This car dirty as hell, got rained on. And follow the gram, Vandalize G. Also follow the gram, JoJo's Mobile Details. If you're in Chicago, hit me up for a detail. Y'all hear that? That got done. And plus my shit don't rattle no more. So that shit decent. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We got more shit coming with this bourbon. I low-key gotta see if the daytime lights will run right now. And yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe. I hope you guys fuck with both of the builds. These are both of the builds right now. No more me out of there for now, but yeah. So make sure y'all fuck with me, fuck with the builds. I really got nothing left to say. JoJo out.